It's the outcome that we're looking at and how we can help families move forward. So that's the great thing about this strategies put together. That's really good. That will support families. And also we're looking at changes. We can't continue to do what we are doing now because it's not working for us. Even for us Pacific people, we need to take ownership because we are the expert of our own families. We know all about the problems. The issue now is how can we make that difference? Don't continue and talk about the problems. Say the problems have been with us for years and years and years, and other people are telling us what's good for us. With those strategies, it's moving us forward. It's empowering us and make us feel great that yes, somebody believe in us that we can make that difference. That's awesome.